put on it, which has got increased downforce. Darren's obviously letting the Ferraris go out first. The California T handling special. Oh, hi, how you doing? The 488 GTB. Everybody's friendly, aren't they? The GTC Ford Lusso. And first of the FFX cars, followed by the 599. And I think we got James Gallardo. James Gallardo, the factory Ferrari driver. Now the first of the Lamborghinis. Absolutely stunning, that's the Centenario. The Aventador S in bright yellow. The next car, this car actually is the Huracan Performante, and that car set a 6-minute 52 lap at the Nordschleife, driven by Marco Mappelli. The Ford GT, UK debut of that. And I think that's vlogger Sam from See Through Glass driving that car. First of the Aston Martins coming up. This is the DB11 V8. I think driven by Andy Palmer. Is it Andy? Hi there. Aston Martin boss. And the Vantage GTR Pro. We just had this on the Michelin stand. One of only 7 cars that you can buy for track use only from Aston Martin. Vanquish S just gone out, and that's Marek Reichman, I think, driving the Vanquish Zagato. Marek is the creative designer for Aston Martin. First of the Paganis. And the Singer 911 recreation or restoration, the Targa version. Nissan GTR. Oh, and the Eagle Low Drag GT. Beautiful car. Derek Bell in the Bentley Supersports. Derek, a long-time Bentley ambassador. First of the Maseratis is the Gran Cabrio Sport. Oh. And a nice smoky burnout in the M4 CS from Rob Collard. Hooligan Rob. Josh Webster in the Porsche GT3. Is that a manual? PDK, okay. And UK debut, this car arrived yesterday with a GT2 RS, 700 horsepower. Rear wheel drive only. Wow, would I like to get my hands on that one. The exclusive series 911 Turbo S. Dino Zamparelli, I think, driving. Fantastic to see all the British Carrera Cup drivers. The Project 8, the XE body car with 600 horsepower. Unbelievable. BMW i8 with British Touring Car driver Andy Jordan in it. The back mono, fastest car up the hill yesterday with Ollie Webb. The Rolls-Royce Wraith black badge, not quite so quick up the hill. Oh, and great to see it. We didn't see it yesterday. The Koenigsegg. That car, the gold on that car is actual gold, 24 karat gold. £600,000 of options on that car. Yes, I said that right. The NSX of options. It's gold, girls, it's gold. Bling. Oh, the V10 engine, Lexus LFA, one of the iconic engines. First of the McLarens, the P1 GTR. Andy Buxton, I think that was at the wheel of the 570S. Oh, the 720, here it comes. The new car, looking absolutely gorgeous. Oh, Paul O'Neill, what could possibly go wrong? How have they let you loose with that car? The 570S. Oh, and making another big smoky donut. Here comes the Noble Speedster. Listen to that car, straight 6. turbo. And the Zenvo. All carbon fibre bodywork on that, completely carbon fibre. Look at the white car, that's the AMG Black Series. Looking good. Elliot behind the wheel. Dave behind the wheel of the AMG GTR. First production version of that we're seeing in the UK this year. Looks like the Radical Turbo's coming up next. This is the RXC Turbo. That should be very rapid up the hill. RP1. Yeah, he's just warming the tyres. I think it was Kenny Brack driving yesterday. Is Kenny driving it today? Yes, Kenny Brack driving it. Here's a fun car. John Barnes in the Caterham 620. He needs those earplugs in. And that, I think, ladies and gentlemen, empties the Michelin Supercar paddock.